You're thinking about making videos like this one on YouTube? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to come up with YouTube video ideas, as well as full YouTube video scripts in under 3 minutes. This is literally going to blow your mind. Let's dive straight into it. Alright, so you are inside ChatGPT right here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just say, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a channel about. And then whatever niche that you are in, you're just going to type that in. For example, I'm in the Amazon FBA niche. So I'm just going to put Amazon FBA and hit enter. Now, as you can see, it's already spitting out some really good ideas for me. So how to dropship on Amazon? What is arbitrage on Amazon? Best Amazon FBA software tools? Is Amazon FBA business worth it? These are all really great questions that people search for and look up on YouTube all the time. So I can go ahead and pick one of these, or I can even have ChatGPT spit out 10 more ideas. Whatever you want to do, the choice is yours. But I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, how to dropship on Amazon. Now, I'm going to say create a full YouTube video script on how to dropship on Amazon. Okay, it just spat out an entire YouTube video script for me. Let's actually read this because there's a lot of really good stuff in here. It says, in this video, I will explain what dropshipping is on Amazon, how to start dropshipping on Amazon, and finally answer the question whether dropshipping on Amazon is still profitable. Now, I've never done a video on dropshipping on Amazon before, but because ChatGPT just spit out this entire script for me, it literally took me like 2 minutes to come up with an entire video idea as well as full script. And now I know exactly how I want to structure my video. I know what points I want to bring up and what topics I need to cover. This is why ChatGPT is going to make you so much money on YouTube, because it's literally doing all the work for you. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT spit out all these ideas and scripts for you. Now, if you want to take things to the next level, what I recommend you doing is that you copy this entire script, paste it into a Google Doc, and then whenever you are ready to film your video, you open up your Google Doc, you read it over one more time, and then you follow along with it as you're filming your video. That way you stay on topic and you won't ramble off any weird tangent during your video. Once again, all you had to do was ask ChatGPT to create a full script for you. And now that you have the script, you can easily follow along with it as you're filming your video. That way you stay on topic and you have a very informative and helpful video for your viewers. All right. So now I'm going to get into what I believe is the best part of using ChatGPT to help you with your YouTube videos, and that is writing video descriptions and titles. A lot of people don't give video descriptions enough credit. But if you're not writing good descriptions for your YouTube video, you're seriously missing out on a lot of views. The same goes for titles. If you're not writing good titles for your videos, you will again missing out on a lot of views. So I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write titles as well as descriptions to help you get more views on YouTube. So I'm going to say, write a title for a YouTube video about, and then whatever that video is about, just type that in. So for example, let's say that I'm making a video about private monetization. So I'm going to type private monetization and hit enter. Now it's going to spit out some really good titles for me. So private monetization, step-by-step guide. How to private monetize your channel. Private monetization requirements and tips. So these are all really good titles that will get people to click on my video. I mean, personally, I probably like this one the best. Private monetization requirements and tips. However, you can always ask ChatGPT to spit out more titles for you. You can also ask it to make the titles longer or shorter, whatever you want to do. The choice is completely up to you. And as you can see, ChatGPT is making all the YouTube problems go away. It's coming up with ideas for you. It's creating scripts for you. It's writing titles for you. It's writing descriptions for you. Literally, there is nothing else that you need to do. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to write a description for your YouTube video using ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, write a description for a YouTube video about, and then whatever that video is about, just type that in. So I'm going to say, let's say that I'm making a video about private monetization. So I'm going to say, type private monetization and hit enter. And now it's going to spit out a description for me. So as you can see, it's already started writing the description, and it's even included emojis, which is really important when you're writing a description for your YouTube video. You want to include emojis so that way it stands out. And as you can see, it's already included a few emojis. So let's see what the rest of the description says. This video includes all the requirements for private monetization and some tips on how to do it faster. Watch to the end to find how to apply for private monetization. And it even included a call to action at the end, which is really important. So overall, this is a really good description that I could definitely use for my video. However, if you want to change anything about it, you can always ask ChatGPT to make the changes for you. So for example, you want the description to be longer or shorter, just type that in and it will make the changes for you. And that is literally how easy it is to use ChatGPT to come up with ideas for your YouTube videos, as well as full YouTube video scripts. Not only that, but I also showed you how to use ChatGPT to write descriptions for your YouTube videos as well as title. And then there is absolutely no excuse for you not to be posting videos on YouTube consistently. Every single day, you can literally spend all your day coming up with video ideas and writing video scripts because ChatGPT is going to do all the work for you. All you have to do is sit back and relax. If you got any value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe down below. Peace.